Layer 1. Number 1. Philippine National Police. The National Police Force of the Philippines, organized under RA 6975 and supervised by the Department of Interior and Local Government and the National Police Commission. Number 2. National in scope. The PNP's jurisdiction covers the entire Philippine archipelago and all personnel are national government employees. Number 3. Civilian in character. The PNP is not part of the military but retains some military attributes such as discipline. 4. Chief PNP. The head of the PNP with the rank of Director General appointed by the President for a 4-year term. 5. Police Regional Offices. 17 regional offices of the PNP, each headed by a regional director. 4. Provincial police offices. Offices under each region, headed by a provincial director, may have police districts in large provinces. 7. District offices, subdivisions of the NCR Police Office, each led by a district director. 8. Internal Affairs Service or IAS, an independent body investigating police misconduct and violations within the PNP. 9. People's Law Enforcement Board or PLEB, a disciplinary body handling citizens' complaints against PNP members. 10. Police Non-Commissioned Officers, ranks. Ranks from patrolman to patrolwoman up to police executive master sergeant. 11. Police commissioned officers ranks. Ranks from police lieutenant to police general. 12. Police entrance examination. The exam applicants must pass to enter the PNP. 13. Police promotional examinations. Exams for in-service officers as requirements for promotion. 14. Attrition system, a system for downsizing or separating personnel based on tenure, performance, or other causes. 15. Permanent appointment. Appointment given when an applicant meets all qualification standards. 16. Temporary appointment. Appointment under a waiver program pending compliance with certain requirements. 17. Lateral entry. Admission to the PNP at the rank of police lieutenant or police captain for qualified professionals. 10.18. Conspicuous courage. Courage clearly distinguished above others in the performance of duty. 10.19. Summary dismissal of powers. Authority to dismiss police personnel immediately under certain serious conditions. 20. Operational supervision and control. The power of local government officials to direct day-to-day police functions within their jurisdiction. 21. Police Medal of Valor, an award given for acts of conspicuous courage and gallantry. 22. Basic recruit training, the initial 6-month training course for new PNP recruits. 23. Field training, on-the-job formal instruction for new police officers after basic training. 24. Physical fitness test, a test evaluating stamina, strength, speed, and agility of PNP members. 25. Permanent physical disability pay, benefits for PNP members permanently disabled in the line of duty. 26. Police Master Sergeant, a senior non-commissioned officer rank in the PNP. 27. Police Lieutenant General, the rank held by deputy chiefs of the PNP. 28. Police Chief, The highest position in the PNP holding the rank of Police General. 29. Police Intelligence Unit. The PNP unit responsible for intelligence and counterintelligence operation. 30. Special Action Force or SAF. A mobile strike force for special operations like counterinsurgency and hostage rescue.